Keller Williams Realty here in Southwest Florida, and I am here to go over our January 2023 month in review Southwest Florida housing market update. So we talk weekly about each of the different areas that we cover. We cover a pretty broad area of Southwest Florida, so all the way from the Sarasota-Bradenton, Lakewood Ranch area on the north end, all the way down through Venice, Northport, Port Charlotte, Punta, Gorda, Fort Myers, down to Estero, Naples, and Marco Islands. So we cover basically the entire Gulf Coast from Sarasota south. So each week we go over that. And so what I'm going to do is go through the entire area and cover the whole month of January. Since we're almost at the end of February now, we have all of January's stats out. And so, yeah, let's take a look. And feel free, hit me up with questions, comments, anything you've got in the chats as well. So we're going to start out kind of in the middle. Cape Coral, actually, no, we're going to go. Sorry, I put this in the wrong order. So we'll start at the bottom and work our way up. So Naples, Marco Island. We've got single family homes on the left and then townhouses and condos on the right. So for single family homes, month of January, we had 286 closed sales. That's down 36% from a year ago. We've got median sale price at $750, which is up 3.8% from a year ago. We're at 4.5 months supply of inventory, which is up 1.2 months. So we're getting very close. The experts all say that a balanced market is typically in the 5 to 7 month range. So for single family homes in the Naples Marco area, we're just about at what is considered traditionally a balanced market, which is it's been a long time since we've been there. Median time to contract 43 days. That's up 25 days from a year ago. And 678 new listings, which is up 4% from a year ago, and 510 new pending sales, which is down 24%. And you'll see the trends are pretty similar for the whole area, and whether it's single family or townhouses and condos as we go through these. But with townhouses and condos, we're at 311 closed sales, down 38% from a year ago. Median sale price, of course, on these are typically smaller, so they're going to be a little less expensive, $499.8, but that's still up 14% from a year ago. So that's still a pretty big jump in median sale price. Month supply of inventory is up to 3 months, which is up 0.7 of a month from a year ago. And so we're still, pretty much in a seller's market there. 32 days median time to contract, which is up 9 days from a year ago. 737 new listings, up 3.8%, and new pending sales are at 513, which is down 22% from a year ago. Actually, kind of interesting to me that closed sales on townhouses and condos are higher than single family sales here in Naples. And so that is Naples for you. And we'll click over to Cape Coral and Fort Myers now. So get into the middle of the market area that we cover. So for single family, Cape Coral and Fort Myers, 868 closed sales in the month of January. That's down 21% from January 2022. Median sale price is at $420,000, which is up 1.6% from a year ago. 3.2 months supply of inventory, which is up a month. 34 days median time to contract, up 17 days. 1,717 new listings is up 9%. And new pending sales, 1,323, which is down 19%. Townhouses and condos, 338 closed sales, 34%, down 34%. Median sale price at $320,000, which is up 7.3%. Month supply of inventory is at 2.7, down or up 0.6%. Median time to contract 24 days, which is up 10 days. New listings at 826, which is up 7.4%, and new pending sales is at 528, down 24% from a year ago. And so we will jump over. Oops. Where's my Sarasota? There we go. So North Port-Sarasota-Bradenton area. Single family homes, closed sales at 779. That's down 35%. Median sale price at 485, which is up 3.2%. Month supply of inventory at 3 months, which is also up 6 months. Median time to contract is 30 days, up 7 days. New listings at 1639. Oops. Sorry about that. So new listings at 1639, that's up 7.6%. New pending sales at 1296, down 11%. And then townhouses and condos at 389, down 32%. Median sale price at 380, which is up 12%. Month supply of inventory, 2.9 months, which is up a half a month. 21 days median time to contract, which is up 7 days. 941 new listings, up 29%. And new pending sales at 618, that's down 17% from a year ago. So if there is a trend, closed sales is down across the board. Median sale price is up across the board. Month supply of inventory also up. Median time to contract also up. New listings also up, but new pending sales also down. So this indicates that as of January, we were still seeing inventory up, prices up. Prices not up nearly as much as the previous years, but still up from what the previous year's median prices were, which is, pretty much in the ballpark of what I've been saying for quite some time, is that we're going to see transactions come down. We're going to see prices stay flat or go probably up a little bit. They might at some point, if inventory continues going up and transactions continue going down and we shift to more of a buyer's market, we might see prices come down a little bit. Quite frankly, I don't expect to see prices come down much. I feel like we saw a little blip of a drop in the end of last year, like November, December. We saw prices dip a tiny bit. But quite frankly, I don't really see it becoming a long-term thing. We saw this in 2018 as well, where people started saying, "Oh, we're at the top of the market. We're at the top of the market. We're at the top of the market," and we saw a brief plateau, a slight drop, very briefly, and then it started on its way back up again. So that's kind of what I'm expecting for this market at this point. Obviously my crystal ball's not perfect, but that's kind of what I'm thinking. So I'm still saying buy. If you're looking, take advantage before rates jump up again. I mean, with inflation and everything the way it is, starting to kind of tick up a little bit or not really drop, and the unemployment rate not going up like the Fed is hoping with their interest rate increases. We expect to continue to see them going up. I know a lot of my lender friends are saying that they don't really anticipate, even though the Fed rate may go up, they don't anticipate mortgage rates going up drastically a whole lot in the near future. You don't know. I mean, we don't know how the Fed raising rates is going to affect mortgage rates, but upward pressure from the Fed typically applies upward pressure pretty much everywhere that interest rates are affected. So give us a shout. Let us know. All of our contact information is here in the video. You all know how to get a hold of me. If you don't, you're watching me on YouTube, you're watching me on Facebook, reach out and let me know how I can help. Let me know what questions I can answer for you for your specific situation, how all of this data impacts you specifically. But all in all, I would say if you're thinking about selling, sell. If you're thinking about buying, it's a good time to buy. I don't think you're going to, I talk to a lot of people all day, every day that are saying, oh, I'm waiting for prices to come down. I'm waiting for prices to come down. I don't really think that's coming. If it is, it's not going to be that big. So, I would say jump on it. I don't see prices going up drastically either. So I don't see a big reason to wait if you're ready to sell. So give me a shout, reach out, call or text, email, check out our website, send me a message on Facebook, on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. Be happy to help. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day.